I ride a bike.
I ride a bike.
I have 1,480 cc's.
I only got me.
We live united.
I prepare thousands of meals for people that struggle in Kalamazoo.
I prepare Tuscan-inspired cuisine.
We live united.
I represent big business.
I don't want to be big business.
We live united.
Regardless of where we come from,
where we are going,
Or what we do.
We all have a stake in the health and the vitality of our entire community.
United Way is focused on education, income, and health, the building blocks for a better life. We all win when children have access to quality education and all the supports that are needed to realize their full potential. Individuals and families have enough income to support themselves through retirement. And we all have good health and safe neighborhoods.
Whether you're young
or young at heart, we can all live united.
Together through United Way.
you can give,
You can advocate,
and you can volunteer.
KC Ready For is a Kalamazoo County initiative, and the vision is to provide high-quality pre-kindergarten experience for every 4-year-old, kind of guaranteeing that every child starts school kindergarten ready. The United Way has just really provided not only that leadership in developing the program, but also as we looked for funding, they served as a fiscal agent as well. We're just very excited to be able to provide this opportunity for every 4-year-old in the county.
Last year, Your United Way invested $1.3 million in local education-related programs. Undesignated contributions enabled Your United Way to help attract an additional $416,500 in funds to improve our community in this area.
The Tax Counseling Initiative is a collaboration of people throughout the Kalamazoo community, and we focus on providing free income tax preparation for folks who have household income of up to $49,000 a year. Between the end of January and April 15th, the Tax Counseling Initiative held over almost 200 tax sessions throughout Kalamazoo County. And at the end of the tax season, we had done almost $3.4 million in refunds. That would be from federal, state, and then the 2 state credits. And $3.4 million coming back into the Kalamazoo community at zero cost to any of the clients. What the Tax Counseling Initiative does is it helps folks who have fairly simple tax returns not have to go pay a tax preparer $100 or $150. I think the best way to describe the role of the United Way in the Tax Counseling Initiative is if you think of a wheel, and each of our individual members and volunteers are like the spokes, and they each bring their own individual talents and strengths. And the United Way is like the hub of the wheel. So it takes all of these individual strengths and talents, and we figure out a way to coordinate everything in a way that we can maximize the input that the Tax Counseling Initiative has throughout Kalamazoo County.
Last year, Your United Way invested $1.24 million in local income-related programs. Undesignated contributions enabled Your United Way to help attract an additional $3.46 million in funds to improve our community in this area.
The Family Health Center is the primary health care safety net for Kalamazoo County residents. Essentially, we provide primary care health care services to the uninsured, the underinsured, and the Medicaid population. The Emergency Prescription Assistance Program is a unique program to Kalamazoo County as a result of support from our local United Way agency. Essentially, we are able to provide Kalamazoo County residents that meet the criteria as well as the income guidelines with free emergency prescription assistance. For example, if someone is diagnosed with diabetes and they need to get their insulin, oftentimes it can take weeks or months before we're able to connect them with Medicaid or other insurance opportunities. During that time frame, the Emergency Prescription Assistance Program is able to ensure that they have their medication and that they can remain healthy. Without the support of the United Way, we would not be able to have an emergency prescription program in Kalamazoo County.
Last year, Your United Way invested $1.34 million in local health-related programs. Undesignated contributions enabled Your United Way to help attract an additional $2.2 million in funds to improve our community in this area. Last year, Your United Way facilitated direct gifts, organized thousands of volunteers, invested an additional $1.83 million in local community support programs, helped attract an additional $955,723 in funds to improve our community in this area, and much more. The Greater Kalamazoo United Way connects individuals in ways both meaningful and productive to help strengthen our community.
When we live united,
we create real lasting change.
It's about helping people stand on their own and advancing the common good. It's about making our community healthier and stronger for all.
We invite you to be a part of the change.
We are stronger together.
We are stronger together.
We're stronger together.
when you reach out a hand to one,
you influence the condition of all.
And that's what it means to live united.
Please give generously.
This year, please support United Way.
We need your support.
We can't do this without you.
Thank 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 you for all you do.
Join the conversation online at www.gkuw.org and follow us on Facebook, Flickr, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Help is only a phone call away. For free 24-hour access to crisis intervention and referrals for health and human services, dial 211. In Kalamazoo County, you may also reach the same service by dialing 269-381-HELP.